Hi Keystone students, my name is Mrs. Swarzinski, and I am one of the high school math teachers here at Keystone. I also work on the high school math teacher link. I wanted to welcome you to Keystone and let you know how excited we are to have you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Bringus and I support students through the High School Science Teacher Link. I've been an educator for 8 years. This is my second year here at Keystone, and I also teach biology and environmental science courses with Keystone. I love being outdoors and also being with my family.
Hello, this is Mr. Myers. I'm a teacher here at Keystone. I'm currently teaching economics, criminology, U.S. government and politics, and U.S. history. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Wood, and I'm an English teacher here at Keystone. I've been here for about 2 years, and you'll find me in the AP courses, English 10, American Literature, or British and World Literature. I really love Keystone because we're all able to work together from different locations on our own schedule, and I think that it's such a great opportunity for many different people. I really love the sense of unity, and I hope you're enjoying your time at Keystone.
Hello everyone, my name is Natalie Bryant and I teach American Sign Language. This is a wonderful course where you not only learn sign language, but you also learn deaf culture. If you are comfortable with creating videos of yourself and signing, then this is a great course where you learn a wealth of information about a wonderful visual language.
Hello, current and future students. I'm Mr. Fuchs, and I'm very privileged to be able to introduce myself to you as a teacher with the Keystone School. A little bit about myself. I am married, have a grown son. My family and I live in West Central Florida, where we are close enough to the beach and close enough to the theme parks, but far enough away from both to avoid the tourism.
Hi, my name is Miss Bentley. I currently teach physical education, skills for health, nutrition and wellness, and health science. I have been teaching at Keystone for about 3 years, and a little fun fact, I have 2 boys, and I also have a set of twins, a boy and a girl, and I love animals. I currently have 2 dogs, a chocolate lab, and a golden retriever.
Hi, my name is Adam Moyer. I teach middle school science, environmental science, and chemistry with the Keystone School, and I've been teaching here for about 10 years. I'm from the Pittsburgh area, so I'm a huge Steelers, Penguins, and Pirates fan.
Hi, my name is Mr. Nate Gallies, and I'm a social studies instructor with the Keystone School. One thing I enjoy most about working at Keystone is just the amazing team that I work with. Whether you need something from administration, guidance, or a teacher, there's always someone at Keystone available to help you out to ensure your success, and that's what I feel makes Keystone a special place.
Hello everyone, my name is Miss Wilkie and I'm one of the Keystone teachers for the Social Studies Department. I teach world history, geography, and contemporary world issues. I welcome you and I hope you have a great experience.
Hi, my name is Ginger Stepp. I've been with Keystone 5+ years. I am an English instructor. Right now I'm teaching AP Language and Comp, British and World Literature, and also KCR classes, which are credit recovery classes.
Hi, I'm Lori Otten, and I teach biology and veterinary science here at Keystone. And what I enjoy most about Keystone is that I am teaching students from all over the world. It's so diversified, and sometimes the students are actually teaching me something. Kind of cool.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Purcell. I teach high school English and journalism classes here at the Keystone School. I'm also one of the high school book club advisors. I've been teaching with Keystone for the past 10 years.
Hi, my name is Mr. Postlewaite. I'm a social studies teacher here with Keystone, and I just want to welcome you to our school. It's a real pleasure working here, and I also want to give you a friendly piece of advice, words of encouragement. Always do your best. Always give it your best effort. And remember that your teachers are here to help.
Hello, or bonjour. My name is Mr. Hooper, and I am a French teacher for Keystone. And I also teach English and German, but right now I'm currently teaching French 1. And I love working for Keystone because I get a chance to meet so many students from so many different places, and it's fun to connect and share with them the love of my French and the language and the culture. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Kavanaugh and I work for Keystone Schools. I've worked for online for over 10 years and absolutely love the flexibility about it. I hope you enjoy that part too. I teach art and thoroughly enjoy my students, and if you need any help, please reach out. I'm happy to assist. Have a great day.
Hi, my name is Mr. Habington. I teach high school science. I've been with Keystone for 12 years.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Bailey, and I am one of the full-time teachers in the Social Studies Department. I currently teach AP World History, Modern World Studies, Careers in Criminal Justice, and U.S. Government and Politics. I've been teaching with Keystone for the past 4.5 years, and I'm excited to share my passion with history with all my students.
Hi students, my name is Mrs. Roop. I teach a few English courses here at Keystone. I have been with the school since early 2022, and I really look forward to meeting all of you in my courses. See you soon.
Hi, my name is Ron Mears. I'm a math teacher with the Keystone School, and one of the things that I really love about my job and being able to teach for the Keystone School is the way we always work toward finding answers that work for students. At the end of the day, students are a priority. They're what motivates us, and they are the focus of the decisions that we make. And I really like that about where I work and the people I work with. Welcome to Keystone.
Hi, I'm Mr. Carlick. I've been teaching with Keystone since 2006. I teach an array of elective courses. I live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with my lovely wife, Angelica. We have a 1-year-old son named Brody, and our lovely dog, who is a Scottish Terrier named Mulligan. The one thing I love about Keystone is that they provide the students an opportunity to work at their own pace.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Kuncio, and I am currently a business electives teacher, specifically hospitality and tourism, and I also have a couple consumer math courses. I've been a teacher with Keystone for almost 4 years. It will be 4 years in January. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chinese class. This is your Chinese instructor, Mrs. Wang. I'm so excited to work with you together to explore this Asian cool language.
Hi, my name's Kurt Schaefer, and I am a teacher here at the Keystone Schools. I teach elementary art from K through 5. I also teach middle school art, and at the high school level, I teach a number of art-related courses, including animation, fine art, 3D modeling, AP art history, and image design.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Jositis, and I am an English instructor here at Keystone. I've been an English instructor here for a long time, and one of the things that I really like about Keystone that I think is just as great for our students as it is for me is the flexibility that Keystone offers.
Hello, my name is Mr. Chrisman. I teach social studies here at Keystone, AP US History, World Geography, World History, and psychology. I've been here at Keystone for about 2 years, so I really like it, and I'm very excited for this upcoming school year. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Miss Muldowney. I teach geography, sociology, and U.S. history.
Hello, I'm one of the Keystone teachers here at Keystone High School. My name is Deb Slattery. I've been teaching chemistry for almost 35 years now. Some of the things I enjoy doing are visiting my children and grandchildren. I like to hike and kayak. I like to read and knit. And I love to play games. Bridge, mahjong, hearts, all kinds of card games.
Bonjour, my name is Madame Pearson and I teach French. This is my 5th year at the Keystone School.
Hi, I'm Ms. Smith and I teach high school math.
Hello, my name is Ms. McGraw and I'm one of the math teachers at Keystone. We are so thrilled to have you as one of our Keystone students. And we're here to assist you so that you can successfully complete your Keystone courses.
Hi, Keystone students. My name is Raina White. For my collegiate studies, I went to Indiana State University and I got an undergraduate degree in art education and English teaching and a master's in linguistics. I love being able to express my creativity, whether in writing or painting or doing pottery. I also really enjoy being out in nature. I live in Indiana with my family, my husband, and my 3 daughters. I'm really looking forward to going on this educational journey together.